You can now complete your certified internal auditor examination in less than 60,000 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. How? Let's find out in this video. I'm Megha Bansali, Commerce Career Coach and Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. So, there is a new announcement that has been made by ACCA recently that they have signed up with the Certified Internal Auditor Examination team. And if you are an ACCA member, then you have a lot of relaxation when you are looking at a CIA certification. So, let's understand what are these relaxations and how you can go about it. So normally the CIA examinations have three levels and you need to write all the three examinations to be a certified internal auditor. However, now they have tied up with ACCA and both of these bodies have signed up an MOU. Via this MOU, you can now be a certified internal auditor with writing just one examination. So how do you go about it and what to do? So if you are an ACCA member, then you get an application window. So basically, any time between April to September during the year, you can apply to be a certified internal auditor, and you need to submit your ACCA membership along with that. Once this has been approved, then you have a 180 days cooling off window, so you cannot write your examination in these 180 days. But anytime post that, you can start with your CIA qualification, and the examinations happen typically in 4 months during the year: February, June, August, November. Let me break this down for you. Maybe this is a little confusing. Let's say I'm a ACCA member. I applied for a CIA examination in September. So in September, I gave my application saying that I want to sit for the CIA examination. So let's say the application took about a month's time to get an approval. On 30th September, I have received an approval that I am eligible for the CIA examination. Then what happens? I have a 180-day cooling off window. So that's a 6 months cooling off window. So that's October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So I cannot write my examination till March. Then any time after March, I can write my examination, and these examinations happen 4 times. So typically the next exam would be in June. After that, it would be in August, then November, and then February. So I can write my examination anytime in these 4 months. So that's how your CIA certification would work like. So typically, I would say it would take you 7 to 8 months to kind of complete this qualification. However, you have to just write one examination, and the cost also is very less. So the application costs you $240 and the examination will cost you approximately $400, and the total cost in INR, if I convert, will come to 60,000 rupees. So that's how you can complete your CIA certification in 60,000 rupees. That's it. Now, if you may ask me, what are the benefits of doing this certifications? How will this add value to a ACCA member? So, if you are a ACCA member and you are very much interested in audit, especially internal audit, if that is your niche, you want to build your career specifically in internal audit, then the CIA certificate adds a lot of value. It gives a indication that you are an expert in internal audits, and therefore the CIA certification will hold a lot of value as a ACCA member. And the CIA certification now is extending its opportunities from internal audit to ESG audit, sustainable audit, IT audit, because these are the new areas of audits that are coming up. So you would be eligible for all of these audits also with this certification. So, in my opinion, if you're really interested in audit and you're an ACCA member, then this is a very good certification to add on, and it has no experience attachment to it. So basically, if you're a ACCA member, then you already have a 3 years of work experience, but you don't require any specific years of work experience or any specific work experience to do this certification. So that's all about the CIA certification and how you can fast track the certification being an ACCA member. If not, then you can also do the three examinations and complete the entire certification if you're not an ACCA member. So I hope you have understood what is the route for ACCA members for the CI certification. In case this is the field that you're looking for and you're having any sort of doubts, you can feel free to reach out to me. I'll be very happy to help you and guide you. And let me know in the comments below if you're looking for any sort of other confusion to be solved. Then I'll definitely make a video on that. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more ACCA members, and let them know the huge opportunities that are available for them. And I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you.